Hey everybody, Corey Raymond from Green Bay, Wisconsin, Fox Cities Home Buyers. I just wanted to give you a little testimonial of my experience with Todd Toback in the Next Level Wholesaling program. We got to know Todd about a year ago through a different course that he was teaching, and since starting with him in that course all the way through till today as I'm recording this, I can tell you that the Wholesaling Inc. program is great. But what Todd taught us to take our game to the next level has truly been life changing. If you would have asked me a year ago if I'd be sitting here with our own company and our own brand and a realistic business where we now have employees and we're freeing ourselves up, we just had a newborn and we're able to take some time away from the business and allow our team to continue producing and bringing in income while we step back a little bit and enjoy time with our newborn. I mean, that's just stuff that no amount of money could ever, say is too much to make it worth it. So what Todd's been able to teach us to do, build an actual business out of wholesaling, and along the way, getting to know Todd, just a lot of things about life in general. It's more, to us, he's more of a mentor for life than just for wholesaling. So we can't say thank you enough to Todd. And everything he's taught us and how far he's brought us so far to this point. And we're excited to continue to keep working with him. And we're just blessed and thankful that he was brought into our life and into our business. If you're thinking about working with Todd, I'm not getting paid to say this. I would highly encourage it because if you want to take your game from here to here, he's the man to do that for you. So again, thank you, Todd and Wholesaling Inc. for everything you guys have done for us. And hopefully if you're watching this, you take the next step and get with him and let him work with your business and take you guys to the next level.